Hi, my name is Afonso and today I'm going to show you this amazing 3-bedroom apartment in Chiado, right in the heart of Lisbon. Located in one of Lisbon's 7 hills, Chiado history goes all the way back to the Roman era. Today's Chiado is one of the most prestigious and cosmopolitan areas of Lisbon. It's an area full of charm, history and culture. There are many renowned restaurants, bars, theaters and exclusive shops, as well as a stunning view over the Tagus River. Chiado is next to Avenida Liberdade, with its international shops as well as the best hotels in the city. The building was fully refurbished in 2022 and comprises one exclusive shop by Hermès, combining traditional charm with modern luxury. The apartment is located on the 2nd floor and the total gross interior area is 157 square meters, plus an exclusive private terrace with 63 square meters. From the hall, there's a clear distinction between the access to the bedroom areas and the living areas. Let me show you the bedrooms. We have 2 bedrooms sharing a complete toilet and a master suite. One very important detail is the ceiling height of 3.6 meters throughout the apartment, which combined with the 4 doors to access the terrace and plenty sunlight makes this living area a pleasure to sit here any time of the year. The kitchen is open plan and is fully fitted with high-end appliances from SMEG and AEG. As you can see, the materials and finishes are top quality. Now, let me show you my favorite part, this amazing terrace. It's something quite unique, especially when we are located right in the heart of Lisbon city center. I hope you have enjoyed the tour. My contact details will show on the screen after this video, so feel free to contact me if you want to schedule a visit or if you have any queries. Hoping to see you soon.